The qualification is Urban Search and Rescue, which consists of 9 modules. We teach them different techniques to manage all the emergency challenges that they can face. So we start off with a basic rescue practitioner. So there they do high angle 1. It's mostly self-rescue, where if the rescuer lands in trouble, he knows how to rescue himself, do knot passing and all those kind of things. And rigging, because they need to do abseiling to get to the patient, obviously. And then also patient rigging. Then on vehicle rescue, they also taught how to cut vehicles, stabilize vehicles, working with high pressure airbags, working with hydraulic equipment and all types of cutters, and to stabilize the patient in order to get him out and safely in an ambulance to get him to hospital. And then fire search and rescue is very basic. It's not professional firefighter level, but on that they do hose drills, large bore hose drills. They need to know how to climb a ladder, how to get a patient off a ladder. And then also they use fire kit and breathing apparatus also in order to search a building if there's someone trapped to get the patient out. Then we do the high angle 2. High angle 2 is basically the bridging. From there you can either go to the urban search and rescue site and then also to the wilderness search and rescue site, which is swift water rescue and aquatic and aviation. So they do high angle 2. High angle 2 is mechanical advantage systems. You need both cableways. You can lower a rescue to a patient, stabilize the patient, get him up the rope again, cliff rescues. You can basically do anything rope related when you've done high angle 2, then it's technician level. From there, on the urban search and rescue, you move to hazardous materials. We do all the equipment and we do a proper hazmat course. The focus is to rescue the patients. So they also learn decontamination, how to treat the patient and all those kind of things. On trench also, we teach the guys how to stabilize the trenches. We teach them on wood, we teach them on screw jacks, we teach them on pneumatics. And we do different types of trenches, everything that they can get out of there. And then also, while you're treating the patient and getting him out or digging him out or whatever, you still need to know your hazmat stuff because you need to identify the gases involved. You need to do proper ventilation. Confined space rescue is basically the same. The only thing extra that it's a combination of high angle 2, hazardous materials, trench, so it builds up to something. And then we teach them extra tripods, arachnipods. In confined space, because of our area, we include a bit of cave rescue also. They do structural collapse also. Structural collapse is more with the disasters that's taking place. So all these things build up to structural collapse, whether you need to stabilize vehicles. With a trench where you do horizontal stabilization, this will be vertical mostly. You learn them how to build shores, to operate safely to get a patient out of the rubble. Industrial agricultural rescue is the one that the students has got the most problems with because it is very wide. That's why it's the last module. If you do the Advanced Rescue Practitioner Diploma, it's the 12th one. There you need to have background on everything because it's all, it's about lifts, elevators, it's rescues out of silos, it is aviation. So all these kind of things, if you don't have all the basics, you won't be able to deal with it. So what we do is we also do practical components, but it's more equipment related. Then we take them for visits at the elevator to show them the control room and escalators and show them the dangers. So they physically see it, but we don't necessarily do a scenario on them.